तो हेलो एवरीवन, ये क्वेश्चन 2024 का है। तो क्वेश्चन में हमें k का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है एंड गिवन है कि लिमिट ऑफ x टेंड्स टू 0 पॉजिटिव दिस वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू e to the power 6. नाउ जस्ट सिंपली पुट x इक्वल टू 0, सो वी गेट 1 to the power infinity फॉर्म ना. सो इन दैट केस हमें पता है, एक रिजल्ट पता है, जब 1 to the power infinity का फॉर्म होता है तब हमें पता है कि x इक्वल टू a f g to the power x is nothing but exponential limit x इक्वल टू a g of x f of x minus 1. ये रिजल्ट हमें पता है, जस्ट इस रिजल्ट भी इस क्वेश्चन में यूज करना है. So there is nothing else. So just let's say limit is L. So L is equal to exponential of limit x goes to a, just f of x 2 by x and g of x sin of kx plus cos x plus x minus 1. Now just okay, this is sin of kx. Now just we'll take sin of kx. Here sin of kx by k of x. Since k is extra, so we just multiply by k. Then plus cos x minus 1 by x plus 1 and there is 2. So this value is nothing but 2 times this quantity is 1, this quantity is nothing but this is 1, this quantity is 1 and there is a k times plus, and this quantity is goes to 0 plus 1. Why this quantity is equals to 0? Why? Because limit x goes to 0 positive cos x minus 1 by x is of the form 0 by 0 form. So just we use L'Hopital rule. First derivative this term minus sin x, then divide this term derivative x with respect to x is equals to 1, and we just put x goes to 0 positive and this value is 0. That's why this is nothing but 0. So our L is equals to exponential of 2 times k plus 1 is nothing but e to the power 6. That is given. So 2 times k plus 1 is equals to 6. So k equals to what? 2. So our answer is 2.